Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to slow down FX replay right here on FX replay. So what we're going to do, first of all, we are going to create ourselves a session. So we click here on new session, give it a name, so test 2, this account balance is fine, and then we will do this in the asset of Bitcoin. So we select right here Bitcoin. Then right now we select here the date 1st of March, that's fine. And right here, March the 25th. And then right now we click here on create session. So now he will send us right here to this awesome trading view chart. Then right now what we are going to do is if we click right here on play, you see right now that FX replay is giving us all the information that we need. Right here, every minute. But if you want to make it a little bit slower, what you can do right here is do every 5 minutes. Then if you can see, he will do it for every 5 minutes. And if you want to go a little bit more slow, then what you can do right here is play with this button right here. You can do like 60 times per second and you can slow it down to 1 time per second. And you can scale up and scale down right here with the time frame. So when you're having it on 4 hours, that's real quick. So let's look at this. Boom, boom, boom. And if you want to slow down and have it, a little bit more easier, you can, scale it down right here to 1 minute. And then you see every single minute. So this is how you can slow down your FX replay. And hopefully this was exactly where I was looking for. So for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.